using in, mu, at, ku. So tugenda kulaba okozesa mu ne ku. So in Luganda is mu, at can be translated as ku in Luganda. Okay, so in is used for objects in enclosed spaces. Ekozesebwa ebintu ebiri munda mu kintu. In rooms, mu bisenge, buildings, ku bizimbe, in cities, ne mu bibuga. Whereas at oba ku is used for specific points, ebifo ebimu, addresses, endagiriro, events, ebivulu, point of time, n'okulaga obudde. Okay, let's have some examples. Ebyoku labirako. For example, dash, dash the box. For example, dash the box. This is in the box. For example, the ball is in the box. Mu in the box. In Luganda, it is mu bokisi. Mu bokisi. Okay, dash the kitchen. In the kitchen. Mu chiyungu. Mu chiyungu. Dash the meeting room. In the meeting room. Okay, dash Kampala. In Kampala. For example, I live in Kampala. Imbeera mu Kampala. Are we together? Okay, dash the bus stop. So this shows a specific point. The bus stop. At the bus stop. At the bus stop. Ku bus stop. Ngenda ku bus stop. At the bus stop. Dash Lumu Street. This shows a specific address. At Lumu Street. Agenda ku Lumu Street. Once again, ku Lumu Street. Okay, dash the concert. It shows where the event is going to take place. Dash the concert. We say at the concert. Ku concert. Hope we are together. Dash 10:30 a.m. At 10:30 a.m. Ku sawa nya n'ekitundu ez'okumakya. For example, the meeting is at 10:30 a.m. Meeting egenda kubeerayo ku sawa nya n'ekitundu ez'okumakya. Okay, thanks very much for watching and loving this video. This is how we use in, mu, at, ku. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.